was an absolutely fantastic run from Craig McLeod. He's going to be really happy with that. An improvement on 80 points, I imagine. I think that's going to be in the 90s. Yeah. I think we're going to see a score in the 90s. So the judges don't mark him down just because I said that, judges. That's not fair.
Don't punish him because Mike's guessing.
I know you did that last time. 89. They did it again.
They did it again.
That was exactly the
Sorry,
same.
Craig, that's our fault. 7th position, though. He's going to be happy with that.
Very, very happy with that, and well deserved as well. That was some good driving. That car hasn't got a massive amount of horsepower, but he's making it work.